You started over? Hello, YouTube. It's us again.
Yes, I started the video back.
You started the video over. Why'd you start it over? Silly bird.
How did you feel about? Look at her. She's so
Is this going to be the last video for tonight?
Give
Here,
him a kiss.
Put it in the screen, see? Because you got to move it over, see? The camera's like, see? Put it in the view, see? Is that your little sister?
That's Maya.
Maya.
Yeah, the little brother.
Maya's your middle sister. Who's your little sister?
Zaya.
Yeah, they have similar names. Kaya, Maya, and don't put my... I look like a nerd. Oh, yeah. Here's my reading glasses. My name is Uncle Buck. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Shut up. Stop. All right, we do have to go home, though.
No, we have to stay here all night.
Bull crap.
Stay with us.
I see. It's funny, Kaya. You know what's funny?
What?
You're saying stay with us. Know what we're doing?
What?
We're talking to a camera with nobody watching us. Like you're acting like there's somebody back there. There's nobody in here right now. The only thing, which is funny, Kaya. We're making a video, right, for people to watch. But right now, there's nobody watching us. We're just talking to a camera. It's kind of like I was reading online where the guy says, you got to get used to talking to yourself in the garage. Well, that's exactly what we're doing. We're talking to ourselves. But anyway, no, we do have to go now.
Stay with us.
You can stay with us, but we're leaving. Okay, we gotta go sleep.
Us.
No. Stop.